Hey Shiners, welcome back to our channel. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the mess around you and don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into cleaning motivation. Watch this before you start cleaning. We all know that cleaning can feel like a daunting task, especially when life gets busy. But what if I told you that cleaning isn't just about tidying up your space? It's also a powerful tool for boosting your mental well-being. Research shows that a clean environment can reduce stress, improve focus, and even enhance productivity. So, how do we find the motivation to start cleaning? Let's explore some practical tips together. 1. Start small and set achievable goals. Begin with a small area, like your bedside table or a single drawer. Completing a tiny task can give you a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to tackle bigger areas. Starting with small, achievable goals is essential for effective progress. Here are 3 key reasons. Builds momentum. Achieving manageable goals provides immediate positive feedback, boosting confidence and motivation for larger tasks. Enhances focus. Breaking down objectives into smaller tasks reduces overwhelm, making the process more manageable and maintaining focus. Promotes consistency. Small, attainable goals are easier to integrate into daily routines, fostering consistency and leading to long-term success. 2. Create a cleaning playlist. Music can be a great motivator. Curate a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to make cleaning more enjoyable. Creating a cleaning playlist offers 2 significant benefits: enhances enjoyment and motivation. Listening to music while cleaning can transform mundane tasks into enjoyable activities. Approximately 66% of individuals report that music makes their cleaning tasks more enjoyable, providing a positive association with the chores. Boosts productivity and efficiency. Music has been shown to increase efficiency in repetitive tasks, such as domestic chores. The rhythmic elements of music can engage areas of the brain responsible for movement, helping synchronize muscle groups and making cleaning tasks more efficient. 3. Use timers to boost productivity. Set a timer for 15 or 20 minutes and focus on cleaning during that period. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, can make tasks more manageable. Setting a timer during cleaning sessions offers 2 primary benefits: enhances focus and efficiency. A timer creates a sense of urgency, encouraging you to work faster and stay on task, leading to more productive cleaning sessions. Prevents overwhelm and burnout. Limiting cleaning to timed intervals makes tasks feel more manageable, reducing feelings of being overwhelmed and helping to maintain consistent cleaning habits. Incorporating timed cleaning sessions can transform chores into focused, time-bound activities, leading to a more organized and stress-free environment. 4. Reward yourself. Plan a small reward after completing your cleaning session, like enjoying a cup of tea or watching an episode of your favorite show. This positive reinforcement can boost motivation. Rewarding yourself after completing a cleaning session offers 2 primary benefits: boosts motivation and reinforces positive behavior. Providing yourself with a reward after cleaning enhances motivation and reinforces the habit, making it more likely you'll maintain a consistent cleaning routine. Prevents burnout and enhances well-being. Taking time to reward yourself after completing tasks helps prevent burnout and supports mental and physical health, ensuring you remain energized for future activities. Incorporating rewards into your cleaning routine not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also promotes long-term consistency and well-being. 5. Visualize the end result. Imagine how satisfying it will be to relax in a clean, organized space. This visualization can drive you to start and finish your cleaning tasks. Visualizing the end result in cleaning offers 2 primary benefits: enhanced motivation. Imagining a clean, organized space can inspire you to initiate and complete cleaning tasks, transforming the vision into reality. Increased efficiency. By focusing on the desired outcome, you can streamline your cleaning process. concentrating on areas that contribute most to your ideal environment. Remember, cleaning isn't just about a tidy home, it's about creating a space where you feel comfortable and at peace. Are these tips resonating with you? If so, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss out on more content designed to inspire and motivate you. Ready to transform your space in just 10 minutes? Download our free 10-minute decluttering plan now and start your journey to a clutter-free, serene environment. Access the plan through the link in the description below. 6. Break tasks into manageable steps. Divide larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps. For example, instead of cleaning the entire kitchen, start with washing the dishes, then move to wiping the counters. Dividing cleaning tasks into manageable steps offers two key benefits. Enhanced efficiency. By focusing on specific, smaller tasks, you can allocate appropriate time and resources, leading to a more organized and productive cleaning process. Reduced overwhelm. Approaching cleaning in smaller segments makes the process less daunting, helping to maintain motivation and consistency. Implementing this strategy can transform cleaning into a more manageable and effective activity. 7. Involve the whole family. Turn cleaning into a family activity. Assign age-appropriate tasks to each member, making it a collaborative effort. Involving the whole family in cleaning offers two primary benefits. Fosters teamwork and responsibility. Collaborative cleaning activities cultivate a sense of belonging and discipline among family members as they work together towards a common goal. Lightens the workload. Sharing cleaning tasks distributes the responsibilities, making the process more manageable and less burdensome for everyone involved. 8. Declutter. Before cleaning. Removing unnecessary items before you start cleaning can make the process more efficient and less overwhelming. Decluttering before cleaning is crucial for two main reasons. Simplifies the cleaning process. Removing unnecessary items reduces obstacles, making surfaces more accessible and cleaning tasks more efficient. Enhances mental well-being. A tidy environment minimizes stress and fosters a sense of calm, contributing positively to overall mental health. 9. Maintain a regular cleaning schedule. Consistency is key. Establish a routine that suits your lifestyle to prevent dirt and clutter from piling up. Maintaining a regular cleaning schedule is crucial for two primary reasons. Prevents overwhelm. Regular cleaning prevents the accumulation of dirt and clutter, making tasks more manageable and reducing feelings of being overwhelmed. Enhances health and safety. Consistent cleaning eliminates germs, allergens, and potential hazards, promoting a healthier and safer living environment. 10. Focus on the benefits. Remind yourself of the positive outcomes of a clean space, such as reduced stress and a sense of accomplishment. Focusing on the benefits of cleaning is crucial for two main reasons. Enhanced motivation. Recognizing the positive outcomes of a clean environment, such as reduced stress and improved focus, can inspire consistent cleaning habits. Improved mental well-being. Understanding that cleanliness contributes to mental clarity and a sense of control can lead to a more organized and peaceful living space. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest shining tips. Share your cleaning tips or challenges in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, a clean space is a clean mind. Start your transformation today. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy cleaning.